If you've been wondering how to get those dream clients knocking on your virtual door, Pinterest is about to become your new best friend. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes into the Pinterest pool, these three marketing strategies are designed to help you attract the clients that you've always wanted. Welcome back. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jen Vasquez, and I'm a Pinterest manager, strategist, and educator. We specialize in hyper busy female service providers, and we can do everything from being in our memberships and learning how to do Pinterest all the way to managing your Pinterest account for you so that you don't have to lift a finger. Tip number one, create irresistible lead magnets that speak to your audience. Imagine this. Your ideal client is just scrolling through Pinterest on a Saturday looking for solutions to their problems, and bam, they stumble upon your content that's not only visually stunning, but offers them something valuable for free. Enter the lead magnet, also known as a freebie. It's a powerful way to capture their attention and, more importantly, their email address. Here's how you do it. Create a free resource like a guide, a checklist, a mini course that directly addresses a pain point your ideal clients are facing. Design a beautiful pin that promotes your lead magnet and links directly to the opt-in landing page. Make sure your pin description is clear, keyword rich, and invites users to click through. Quick win, use a tool like Canva to create an eye-catching pin that aligns with your brand. A consistent and polished look will make your content stand out in a sea of pins. Tip number two, collaborate with influencers to expand your reach. You've probably heard the saying, it's not what you know, it's who you know. Well, this rings true on Pinterest too. Collaborating with influencers or fans of your brand who have an established presence in your niche can help you to skyrocket your visibility and put you in front of your ideal clients. Here's how to do it. Identify influencers or fans who share your target audience. Reach out to them with a proposal for a collaboration. This could be anything from co-creating content, hosting a joint giveaway, or simply getting them to pin your content to their boards. When they share your content, their followers, who are likely your ideal clients, will see it, increasing your chances of attracting new clients. Quick win, don't just aim for the biggest influencers. Micro influencers often have more engaged audiences. Start by building relationships and offering value before asking for anything in return. Tip number three, use Pinterest SEO to target your dream clients. Pinterest is a search engine disguised as a social media platform, which means your content needs to be optimized for search if you want to attract your ideal clients. By strategically using keywords in your pin descriptions, board titles, text overlay, and throughout your profile, you will make it easier for your dream clients to find you. Research what your ideal clients are searching for on Pinterest. Use tools like Pinterest Trends or the search bar itself to discover popular search terms. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your pin titles, descriptions, and even your Pinterest boards. Make sure each pin is visually aligned with your brand and includes a compelling call to action that entices your audience to click through. Quick win, start by updating your Pinterest profile and boards with keywords that reflect your services or solutions that you offer. This ensures that your profile is optimized for search and that they're targeting your dream clients from the get-go. Ready to attract your ideal clients? These strategies that I just went over are really your gateway to attracting those perfect fit clients who not only love what you do, but are eager to work with you. Pinterest is a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. And with these tips, you will be well on your way to growing your business with clients who truly get you. Bonus tip. Want personalized advice on how to implement these strategies? Go to pintereststrategyacademy.com/PSC and find out all about how you can have me hold your hand through the whole process. Have a great day.